another video. So today we're going to shoot again with my CP2 air rifle. We're going to do a little bit of a challenge. We're going to shoot 40 meters, and yeah, I've set out the target which I made myself. And yeah, let's go see how this CP2 air rifle do with that distance. I know it's a long shot, but yeah, let's go see how we do. So here we are now looking at the results of the 40-meter shooting. So my first shot was here, and then I thought it was the wind, so I was aiming here, about there. So I shot, and then I shot here, and I wasn't sure because the wind was perfect and everything, because I got the shot there where I was aiming. So then I thought, okay, let's get a bit near to the dot. So when I shot here. Then I think there was something wrong with my breathings, of my breathing. So I shoot again, but then I shot here. So then I was taking my time, looking at everything, and then I was concentrating very well. So then I was shooting there, and I don't know, I think the wind started to pick up again, so I was shooting here two times. I was really glad about that. And then the last one, I was aiming here. I do not know what went wrong, but then I shot here. So I need to practice a little more. I am definitely going to practice more. Hopefully the next time I do one of these videos, it's all going to be right there. That will be really good. But yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you at the next one.